Good evening, guys. Today we'll learn about multiple types of VLOOKUP, what we want to search, where we want to search, the array, and what output we want. Okay. So here you can see column 2. That is the output. The first name is present in column 2. 0 is by default value. We do not want the exact match. So we'll learn about the 1 and 0, the true and false default value later in our VLOOKUP series. Simply drag the formula and make it applicable across all the cells. The constant thing is very important to master VLOOKUP, or rather any formula. Instead of name, I want the department. Okay. So in the department, my department is in fifth column. If you're able to see the fifth column, so is equal to VLOOKUP, the search value, array, and then the output column. So my output column is in column 5th, department name is in 5th. Simply drag the formula. That's it. Now I want the salary. So you please comment in the salary what would be my formula, the VLOOKUP formula. You can type in the formula in the comment section. Okay. Now I want the next option I want is all the three columns in one single lookup. Ideal scenario, what I'll do is what a common person would do it. We look up 3 times. So here I'll show you a shortcut. So this is the constant. Dollar sign is a constant. So here by putting a dollar sign before B, my column would be constant. A dollar sign before B and 3, the cell would be constant before, just before 3 rows, and just before B the column. Okay. Select the array. So my here my name is in column 2. So the first name is here. My department is in column 5th. Okay, column 5. And my salary is in column 6. Okay, just next to the department. So column 6, I have all the 3 values of an employee ID with multiple VLOOKUPs. So here I'll show you how to do a VLOOKUP in a single formula and get the output for 3 different columns. Okay. The start of the formula would be same. Just a minute difference is here we are using curly brackets, and in that curly brackets we are using all the 3 column range. Okay. So in a single formula, you can get the output for multiple columns. So here I'm showing an example for 3 columns. You can use for multiple columns. You can practice it for yourself. Without practice, you won't be able to memorize this formula. You need as much as practice you can. Okay. So the next thing what we want to do is the range, category range. Okay. So here we have salary range between 30 to 1.5 lakhs. So here I'm setting up a range. Okay, 0, 50,000, 1 lakh and 1.5 lakh. So here I used a VLOOKUP, the salary range, salary cell, the range of the category, and instead of 0 I'm using 1. So please note that instead of false I'm using true. Okay. So here if you are able to see, when I select the range category below 50, the salary range would be above 30 but below 50,000. 50 to 1 lakh is 50, greater than 50 but less than 1 lakh. Okay, 1 to 50, 1.5 is greater than 1 lakh but below 1.5 lakh. Okay, we do not have any example for above 1 lakh. So here I'm doing a manual entry. So it is showing, yes. So in my drop down, it is showing.